Hey everybody, how you doing today? CD59 here, coming at you from my backyard. You've been watching. I've been trying to get this knife going, build one from scratch. You can see that's where we're at. I got the holes drilled in it. Going to be a lanyard hole, 3-pin. I did have to take this. I had it sharpened down, ground down to almost an edge. Talked to my heat treat guy. He said, no, you're going to crack it. There was a couple comments on the video also. And we're going to try heat treating it today. It's kind of cold out, but you know what? You got to do it when you got to do it. Let's show you what I got going. This is what I'm using. I just picked up some down at the old home building center, whatever. Some heat brick, going to reline your fireplace or your wood burner stove, whatever. I just got a piece of steel sitting on top for stability. They're kind of floppy. I got MAP gas going in each side, a torch on each side. I ran a piece of test steel in here. I got it up to where it's non-magnetic. You can just start to see red. That could be sunlight or whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to try it again with the actual knife. We can get it non-magnetic. We're going to let it set for a while. All right, this torch on this side is doing 90% of the work. This guy over here is kind of lazy, but let's see what happens, huh? Oh yeah, it's turning red. Must have the torches adjusted better or something. All right, we're about 3 minutes into this probably. I got nothing on the magnet. You can see the red in there, but as soon as you pull it out here, you cannot. We're gonna let that set and cool down. We're gonna get the oil bath ready. All right, we had a little bit of a battery failure there. Like I started to say, I got a Coleman cook stove over here. Believe it or not, you dip this in canola oil. That's what we're going to quench it with. I'm going to take it up that non-magnetic one more time. Let's see if I can get a temp on if this thing works. Yeah, she's getting color to it already. Oil over here is about 140, 150. That's plenty hot, about 120 and 130 is what they claim. We've reached the non-magnetic stage. Say hold it at that for like a minute. She's plenty hot, but it is what it is. Well, win, lose, or draw, I think it's time to do it. Arm ain't long enough. it didn't crack. Yeah. Well, I can't visibly see anything, but we get that scale cleaned off there. That's what she's looking like, folks. Yeah, let's go clean her up, see what it looks like. All right, we is in the cave. There are no cracks in that blade that I can see. Still got a dark finish on it. If it's hard, oh yeah. Can you hear the way that file just skates across it? Yeah. That's what we want. I don't know the hardness, don't know how to test it, but it's going to be a hunting knife. It's going to clean deer next year. At this point right now, they say you drop it on a cement floor, it'll shatter, it'll break. It's brittle as hell. We have to temper it. It's going to go in the oven. Remember that little oven? If you've seen any of my bullet casting powder coating, that little oven, we're going to put it in there at 400 degrees. It takes like 2 hours. A lot of people say to do that twice, 2 heat cycles on it. I think I'm going to do it once. All right, we got her plugged in. She's warming up. We're going to throw it in there. As soon as we get up to temp 400, we're going to set that timer back to 120, 2 hours. That should temper it out.